Hi everyone! So for today's video, I will be unboxing another GILTBOX. So I have here my May 2018 GILTBOX and we're gonna open it right now. So this is the box. It's like this rosy print. It's this like orange reddish color. Ayan lang siya. And I've already seen what's inside, but here it is. It has the usual card. I'm not gonna read it anymore. Inside you have these things. So first thing I see is the Ladouce tampons, and I've already had this in my GILTBOX before, and I don't know, it's nice that it's in here again, but then at the same time it's just repetitive, so medyo nakakainis na nandito ulit yun. Next thing is a tattooey, temporary tattoo by Designer's Crib na pineapple. Again, super interesting that it's in here, but I don't know, it's just a tattoo. Next thing I have is a sunscreen, I think. So this is from Sunplay. So it looks like this. It's just a sample size. It has SPF 130 PA++++, 4 pluses. That's really nice, but it's so small. I wouldn't actually use this, so I don't know. Not really happy about that. I have BB-holic BB creams from iWhite, and again, I've had this before in my GILTBOX and I've never used it. I usually just give this away, so it's annoying that it's in here again. Next thing I have is a Scent Studio Tommy. Looks like this. I don't know what this is, so let's open it. It is a sample perfume, so it just looks like this. And it's nice that it's in here. It's not like a spray. There's like yung mga sample sizes na spray, and it's not this one. I don't know how to use this actually. I think kailangan mo tanggalin yung cap, pero yeah, nice that it has like a scent inside the box, but then again, I don't know, it's not sulit. Lastly, I think one thing that's actually a decent size is this Stylex hair polish, but to be honest, I would not use this. I don't know how to use this, and I don't really care for my hair. Like, I only use shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, and that's it. I don't really style it, so I don't really need a hair polish and hair dressing cream, but I really like the size of this, but I would not use this. So it looks like this. It's just like after showering or something to make your hair shiny. I would not use this, to be honest. So yeah, it looks like this. And that's all for my GILTBOX. Yeah, I'm really getting sad talking about GILTBOX. I don't really like making videos anymore, but I don't know. I still have May, June, July, August, September. No, I have 3 boxes left, I think, for my 1-year subscription, and I will tell you my thoughts when I'm on my last box. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I didn't enjoy this, but yeah, I hope you still give this a thumbs up for me being honest about my GILTBOX, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Thanks for watching!